Hello my cakes crafters, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a banana blueberry and banana walnut muffins. But before we start with this delicious recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and activate the bell for my new videos. And the ingredients are 3 ripe bananas, half cup regular sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs room temperature, 2 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup buttermilk, a 1/4 cup canola oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup unsalted butter, blueberries, and walnuts. Before we continue with this whole recipe, I'm going to show you how to make homemade buttermilk. So all you need is to add 3/4 of a teaspoon of white vinegar in a measuring cup. Add whole milk until you reach 1/4 of a cup. Stir well. Then let it sit for at least 5 minutes. Remember, buttermilk needs to be at room temperature. Okay, let's begin. First, you need to peel all the bananas and put them in a large bowl. And using a fork, or you can use a potato masher to do this part, because this step of this part of the process, it will take a little longer because you gotta make sure these bananas are well mashed. You can see some extra hands that I have today because my daughter is helping me to mash these bananas. She loves to do it, and it's good to have extra help in this part. We continue mashing the bananas, and if you still see, after you finish mashing bananas, if you still see pieces of the banana in the mixture, don't worry about it. In fact, I like it that way because it will give extra moisture to my muffins. So now after that, you're gonna add canola oil. You're gonna add the melted butter. Now you're gonna stir again. Make sure everything is combined. After this step, we're ready to add the white sugar and the brown sugar in it. And again, you're gonna mix them all. And you see the color will change because of the brown sugar. It will have like this color, like dark color. Now we're ready to put the eggs, the buttermilk that we made, and vanilla extract. Then now, in this time, you gotta make sure that you mix it very well, so you don't have pieces of eggs in the mixture. The next part of this process will be to prepare the dry ingredients. You're gonna add baking powder and baking soda into the flour. You're gonna whisk all the ingredients together. Now, this is the last part of the process, and we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the banana mixture. And we're using the folding technique that we used to do with the white eggs when we are baking a cake. This way, we're making sure that we don't overmix. Okay, keep folding and scrape your bowl constantly until the flour is completely dissolved. Once it's all incorporated, it's time to get your silicone mold or a metal muffin pan that you have prepared ahead of time to start adding the mixture into the liners. I use an ice cream scoop because it gives me the right portion of the batter that goes into each liner. This recipe will make approximately 16 muffins. The next step we're doing is to add the blueberries and walnuts. The way we decorate these muffins is taking some of the blueberries or walnuts, and with a plastic knife, we push down just a little bit close to the bottom. The rest of the blueberries and walnuts will go on top. I sprinkle my muffins with a little bit of brown sugar because it will create a thin crust and they will taste more crunchy on top. I like that texture in my muffins. You're going to bake at 425 degrees for about 8 minutes. Then you're gonna lower your temperature at 350 degrees and continue baking for 8 more minutes. When you change the temperature, make sure you don't open the oven. Just let the muffins finish their baking process. Wow, my daughter and we made a great team making these muffins. Look how beautiful this walnut muffin looks like. It looks amazing. Look at the blueberry muffin. It's soft. It have a great color. I'm telling you guys, you will love this recipe. So I'm hoping that you try it and that you taste it and let me know how it goes. I'm gonna be so excited if you do. So hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, like, share, keep supporting my channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys and see you on my next video.